Got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, up and down, bread, up and down, right, bread, up and down, been open.
Yo, Tego Calderón, Don Omar, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gato activado. Ustedes no me lo han dado.
Oye, a mí me importa poco lo que se diga de diga. William Landrón y yo somos socios de la avenida. Soy bandolero como el Mr. Politiquero, que se robó todo el dinero y lo postularon de nuevo. Como si fuera Caldio Don Omar, nos daban conspiración, la llave bota. Y yo no soy ejemplo, mi respeto al tempo. Su único delito fue tener talento. Que tú quieres que yo escriba guasimilla mentira. De que el DEA me tiene en la mira. Yo estoy claro, mis impuestos pago. Critican si trabajo, critican si soy vago. Viajo en primera y me tratan de segunda. Así de darle canta como el negro zumba. Yo soy tu buco, tengo el trabuco, conocido mundialmente como el
Aunque
maluco.
digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gato activado. Ustedes no me lo han dado.
Hi guys, what's up? Nagbabalik ulit si Joker TV Stream. May dumating na finally ang ating order coming from AliExpress. So ito na guys. So here it is guys. Ito yung pang number 4 natin na package. Nakakatakot kasi medyo damage. I hope yung item sa loob hindi na damage guys. Let's pray. Let's hope na hindi siya nasira. Okay, so ito na yung nantay natin. The moment we are been waiting for. Ang ating mystery box for a very first pop race. So pop race, regarding about pop race is that quite similar din daw siya sa sa Kaido House. So but the only thing difference is that according to them, some of the viewers na nagre-review ng mga product coming from Prop Race, they said it's more detailed. So let's see, one way to find out, see what's inside, and our first mystery Pop Race car to see what's inside. I hope na may makita tayong chase dito. Dahil ito is a random box that comes with the, I believe, yung para siyang casing. So, wag na natin patagalin. Meron tayong dalawa. So, let's see what's inside, guys. Excited. Go ahead and open na natin tong mystery box na natin. Well done package. Not bad. Sana maganda tong Sana may makuha tayong chase. Actually, I have really no idea kung ano itsura ng chase sa Pop Race. So, but I'm still gonna check online to see kung ano yung chase. So, first of all, let's try to open this one. Okay. So, we have the car already just right there. And, ooh, nice. We got yung casing niya, guys. Para well protected yung ating kotse. If you don't want it to have it play anymore, you can always store it here, which is a good part to secure your car. So, let's see. Sana chase. Ooh, okay. I see it. So, right now, we have a Nissan Skyline. Nissan Skyline. This is not a GT, but yeah, we got a Nissan Skyline yellow car. For Nissan Skyline 400. see. Nismo. Our very first pop race. Tingnan natin. Akala ko yung like yung mga other pop race nakita natin like yung may mga decals or something. And this is a collaboration from X-Car Toys / Pop Race. So these are two brands na nag-collab sila. So let's open it to see what's inside. Kung ano yung itsura ng item. Quite excited. Kasi yellow. And also, Nissan Skyline siya. So, meron tayong another Skyline. I believe under our first video review, pinakita ko sa inyo yung una ko nabili na Skyline. I think that's Nissan. Is that Skyline? Nissan GT? No, I think that's Nissan GTR, if I'm not mistaken. But this one is a Nissan Skyline. So, let's try to open it. I know. Ooh, okay. Not bad. Napakagandang kotse with the nice decals sa spoiler, and di siya nabubukas yung pinto, but pagandaan nito nabubukas yung likod, so the trunk can be open. Very nice detail sa tail light. Wow, grabe, ganda. Look at that, guys. Napakaganda ng tail light. Talagang like legit like siya na tail light, literal. So, kita mo yung shiny, nabubukas yung kanyang likod with, of course, with the exhaust, napakaganda. This is good. This is a really good part of the, Tapos, with rubber tiles and rims. Oh, nice. Meron din decals yung kanyang rims, guys. Napakaganda. And also, ito yung engine niya. Wow, grabe. Kitang-kita yung battery with strut mount and engine. Very nice. So let's just put this one aside and see what's the other one. So this is our first mystery box from X-Car Toys and Pop Race. So let's try to open the other one to see. Sana may magandang I mean, this one is not that bad. I mean, it's good. Plain siya, but I would say like it's worth it. So hindi siya ganun kasama for a mystery box. So let's try to close this back. See. Okay. Ganda. And yun nga lang, wala siyang tawag dito, shocks. Hindi siya bumababa. So talagang plain talaga siya. But all over like metal side mirror, yung wheels yung talagang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. It's really realistic, as well as yung tail lights and yung engine sa harap. Napakaganda. Not bad for a Nissan. It's very nice. I love it. Now, let's go ahead and try to open yung isang box. Tingnan na natin, guys. Tingnan natin patagalin. Sana hindi siya duplicate, no? I mean, imagine kung duplicate. We got another Nissan. But, let's see. Since it's mystery box, so anything is possible. Anything can still be different. So, buksan na natin. Okay, so I don't think this is I don't think it's the same. So we got another car. Here's our display. So I'm not gonna just open this up since I already show you one. Okay, finally. And I have another Audi, which is what I'm actually looking for my collection. Another Audi. I mean, not Audi, sorry. Let me correct myself. This is Porsche. Ito yung naantay natin na collection na kailangan ko in my end. Kasi I collect Porsche na kotse. Next time I would try to order yung yung tawag dito, yung mismong parang katulad yung what I have on our previous video, yung Lamborghini store. This time I'm gonna try to order yung mismong Porsche lang talaga. So I could like display all my Porsche. So let's go ahead and open this. Medyo nayupi lang yung kanyang ano, I guess because of the box. But yeah. This is quite yung medyo similar yung ano niya. Medyo similar dun sa isa kong Porsche na from Hot Wheels. But all over it's good. It has an exhaust, pop race, of course. So I think ito yata yung pinakaswerte natin nakuha. But this one I'm not sure. It's not that chase, but it has nice wheels. Regular tatak sa loob, sa ilalim. We got Rotman 024 Rot Wheel. And of course, maganda rin yung interior where the silver strut, what do you call this, bar sa loob. So on this thing, hindi na open yung likod, even in yung front hindi rin na open. So yeah. But all over taillights is good. It's really realistic along with the exhaust. Grills, bars is good. It's not that bad. It's really nice piece of collection for a Porsche. So which is good. Alright, so let's go ahead and proceed to our next box. I believe ito yata yung naabangan na natin since the beginning, yung bago nating diorama. So let me show you. Ito na yung ating first two Pop Race collection. Collaboration coming from X-Car Toys and Pop Race Company. So ayan yung first two boxes natin, which is not that bad. Really good piece of collection, very detailed. Almost similar talaga siya sa Kaido House, especially this one. I'm not sure kung gaano ka-rare to, but I have to search it online. I never seen a Porsche na nabubuksan yung harap and then yung likod. But so far, yeah, this is what we got. And let's go ahead and proceed to a new one. Side. And of course, ang pinakaantay natin, this is yung G-Fans. Alam ko pag G-Fans to kasi yung balot niya na ganito, and then there's like a bubble around it. So I already know this is a G-Fans item. So let's go ahead. Yep. Open it. There you go. Hey, exactly what I am expecting. Ang ating G-Fans model. Ito na guys, finally, we have arrived. Ito yung paborito ko na na item na inaantay ko na makuha. With garage and na store ng Hot Wheels. So, I'll go ahead and show you din on the video while I'm fixing this. Pakita ko sa inyo habang binubuo ko siya. Alright?